ओके सो वेलकम टू ईट स्लीप ड्रिंक क्रिकेट। और यहाँ पे हम जीएमसी बाला योगी स्टेडियम में टैकोवांडो कंपटीशन इन छोटे छोटे बच्चों के साथ देखने आए हैं। पहले तो ये बताएं कि कैसा लग रहा है आपको इस माहौल में?
अच्छा लग रहा है बिकॉज दिस इज एन एशियन चैंपियनशिप और हम एशिया कप क्रिकेट की ही बातें करने वाले हैं, तो इट्स गुड एंड नाइस टू सी सो मेनी किड्स हैविंग फन हियर एंड शोइंग देयर स्किल्स.
Yeah, so let's show some the DJ and also please bear with the noise here, but that's the real. We wanted to do it somewhere here only. First question to you, Abhijit. Question ये है कि आज एशिया कप हो रहा है. So I'm going to pause and then maybe we'll start.
A wonderful performer, 11 times world card holder.
Okay, sorry. So audience has to adjust a bit. Question ये है कि एशिया कप हो रहा है, ये होना चाहिए, नहीं होना चाहिए, बॉयकॉट होना चाहिए, क्या होना चाहिए? So यहाँ दो स्पेक्ट्रम है. I think I don't want to see it. You say maybe it shouldn't happen, but if it's happening, then people should see it. So what is your view?
So I think as a cricket fan, I have been striving to watch the Indian cricket team in action. The last time they played was, when Siraj bowled that delivery to Atkinson, and then, we drew that series. It was wonderful. From that day onwards, मैं उस series की इतनी highlight देख चुका हूँ. So obviously we can't live without the Indian cricket team. So that is one aspect. As an Indian cricket fan, I want Indian cricket team to literally play every day of my life. Okay. Now the other aspect is the India-Pakistan. It's a sensitive thing, but it's a neighbor and it's another country. Sometimes we need to trust what the government or the BCCI or what the other authorities are doing. You cannot go on fighting and blocking and stopping everybody for anything. वैसे देखो पाकिस्तान क्या, चाइना के साथ में हमारे बहुत प्रॉब्लम्स हैं, तो क्या हम चाइना के साथ खेलना छोड़ देंगे? Why just cricket? अगर हम पाकिस्तान को लेट्स से फुटबॉल में बॉयकॉट कर ले, हॉकी में, तो हर जगह we will be giving them walkover points. So that also doesn't make sense. I think the Indian government has done enough. They've squeezed their water. We know उनका इकोनॉमी कहाँ है, and anyways this Asia Cup में BCCI doesn't make much profit. This is a multi-nation tournament. उसमें पाकिस्तान आएगी, खेलेगी. It's just a matter of a match. And ideally, in an ideal world, I want this match to happen and India to thrash them very badly, which India often does.
So we'll come to that. We'll come to that. My only theory was, I understand World Cup का जो scenario था वो था. This one tournament I wanted to boycott just to show Pakistan where we really think about it. But जो हो गया है, I don't want to make a big shout out of it कि क्यों नहीं देखना चाहिए ऐसा, क्योंकि एक decision ले लिया गया है and I think let's go with the decision. That's my thought.
Absolutely.
Okay, now the second question is, let's say the match is happening today. Obviously it's happening. Tickets have gone unsold. What is your thought on that?
Yeah, I'm a bit surprised tickets have gone unsold. I mean, India के matches कहीं unsold नहीं जाते हैं. I really doubt whether the stadium is going to be half. But one of the reasons is Pakistan has some stars missing, Rizwan and Babar. And we also have some stars missing, Kohli and Sharma and all that. So that could be one of the reasons. I don't think boycott is a reason for tickets not being there in the world.
Okay, I strongly feel that people did not want to go to Dubai and all those stuff. There is a strong, the trends are clearly showing boycott Asia Cup, boycott India Pakistan, a lot of shame on BCCI, a lot of things. Wow, let's show this now. Yeah. Wow, man, wow.
It's lovely.
Lovely. See, यहाँ भी बच्चे हैं.
Look at so many young kids.
Yeah.
हमारे टाइम में बोला जाता था कि खेलोगे कूदोगे बनोगे खराब and all that. But look at the current generation. I'm so proud of it. So many kids here.
Yeah. Okay, so question to you. India-Pakistan match. What is your preview? What do you think will happen?
India is going to play Sri Lanka in the final. Pakistan are a very undercooked team, and although they enjoy Sharjah historically 80s 90s में they used to beat us a lot, but now the things have changed. Their team is all apart. They were recently struggling against West Indies and Bangladesh also. India के second string team would be a lot better than Pakistan. अभी यहाँ तो first string team खेल रही है. And anyways, Pakistan has beaten India only once in 4-5 years. वो अभी भी उछल रहे हैं कि 2017 में हमने जीता था, 2022 में जीता था. बस वो 8 साल में 2 जीत है. तो that trend is going to continue. We should beat Pakistan fairly comfortably. The only argument will be whether we win closely or we win by a big margin. That's the only argument. And these being spin pitches sort of negates both. That's where Sri Lanka comes into the equation. because these are very spinner friendly pitches. But then yeah, India is on a different level.
So one thing I was thinking is that India has a good variety of bowling. I think chasing becomes easy. Do you also think chasing is the right way to go if you win the toss?
Chasing is the right way to go. ये ऐसे pitches में ना जहाँ spinners इतने wickets लेते हैं, it works both ways because if you are able to set a target, then it's easier to defend it. But yeah, if you bowl first and you could get them all out by say 120, 130, then chasing is also easy. So, again, it really doesn't matter. India ने पिछले match के अलावा India had lost some 15 tosses, but we were still winning everywhere. In white ball, we are untouchables, literally. Finalists in World Cup, T20 champions, and Champions League champions. I don't think we have taken toss out of the equation completely, especially after England.
Dubey playing?
Sorry?
Dubey playing?
It's very difficult to predict Gautam Gambhir. Maybe Samsung may not play, maybe Dubey not play. I don't know, but we will have 8 batsmen. That's for sure. There will be 8 batsmen. There will be 7 bowlers. That is for sure. That will be there.
Yeah, I think so. That the ideal thing is Gautam Gambhir has found a way कि 8 बैट्समैन खेलना है, 7 बॉलर खेलना है. He's very clear with that.
Very clear with that.
Yeah. So I also think that ways. Let us also show again the. Yeah.
Every sport. So if you are learning any martial art,
So let's pause for a minute.
Students. So any coach wants to.
Okay, so we are here with the great मोहम्मद अजहरुद्दीन का फोटो है. स्टेडियम के बाहर ही है हम लोग. वहाँ पे काफ़ी आवाज़ आ रहा था तो हम बाहर आ गए. So the thing is कि चलो, so last one question and just I don't want to be repetitive, but I'm asking because I don't know whether the audio quality was great or not. The question to you is कि whether the right thing has been done in terms of boycotting or not doing. What is it? Why we are hearing so many voices? The ticket sales also show the same thing. Entirely, I mean, we're just having a walk. While having the walk,
the reality of life is the show must go on. Pahalgam में incident हुआ. Does it stop the tourism in Pahalgam? No. Pahalgam will still have tourists. Kashmir will still thrive as a destination. Do people boycott Kashmir because of that? No, ऐसा नहीं होगा. So and we cannot always go by what the public says. वो public तो नेपाल में भी बहुत कुछ कह रही है. Public तो बांग्लादेश में भी बहुत कुछ कह रही है. आप देख रहे हो उन countries की क्या हालत है. So we have to trust authorities, and let's admit we are a 4th largest economy. So we have right authorities, authoritative people. Let's not forget 11 years ago we were a fragile 5 economy. Today we are the top 4 economy. So we need to trust our bosses. We need to trust what the government is doing or the BCCI is doing. Let's not forget BCCI has put our cricket in absolute at the top. Okay, not forget our cricket. Even women's cricket is there right at the top. Do you know Smriti Mandhana has more fans than Babar Azam actually in Instagram and all that. So our women cricketers are actually bigger stars. So BCCI and all, they do the right steps. So let's just trust them. Let's not try to put our brains in everything. हम अपना life संभाल ले, यही बहुत बड़ी बात है.
Great. So I'm in agreement with you. I also think that it is India के लिए ये बहुत important है. मेरे लिए लगता है कि India who wants to host Olympics, Commonwealth and all these steps I do understand. But this one tournament I wanted India to boycott very heavily for the simple reason कि it teaches our I don't want to use the word enemy and all, it looks a bit cliched, but I just want कि यार उनको एक सबक मिले कि boss we can take extreme steps, हमारे लिए important क्या है करके. But anyways, as I mentioned, the decision has been taken and I don't want to go back on that. Maybe I won't watch the match. I'm making it very clear. I may not watch the match. But the reason why we are doing this YouTube video is for people to know that supporters will be there to say to boycott or not boycott or watch the match, whatever it is. The end idea is that we should we have to support our team, and that is our प्राइमरी गोल, राइट, कि सपोर्ट करना है. आज नहीं तो कल करना ही है. यही चीज़ वर्ल्ड कप होता तो फिर हमें और और हमें ये करना पड़ता था. मतलब वी वुड हैव हैड टू होस्ट दिस टूर्नामेंट. एशिया कप है इसलिए हम थोड़ा लाइट ले रहे हैं. वर्ल्ड कप होता तो देख ही लेते थे. सो दैट वे, सो दैट इज वेयर वी एंड. एनी मैन ऑफ द मैच यू थिंक टुडेस मैच?
Very difficult to say. Maybe Bumrah.
चलो
Maybe.
मैं तो बॉलर के साथ ही मैं भी जाऊंगा, बट मैं वरुण चक्रवर्ती का नाम
I was also about to say Varun would have been my second name actually.
Yeah, चलो एनीवेज कुलदीप जो किया वो भी,
हाँ.
सो मे बी स्पिनर ओनली, बट लेट्स सी. ठीक है, चलो थैंक यू फॉर वाचिंग
And भारत माता की जय.
एंड देन लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब टू ईट स्लीप ड्रिंक क्रिकेट. चलो
Yes.
थैंक यू.
Thank you.